Hey everybody, Kate Rosales here, and I'm doing a quick follow-up to our Google Analytics tutorial. So if you watched the previous tutorial, I showed you how to set up your Google Analytics tag so that Google can start tracking the website traffic to your blog. So a lot of people ask me, how do I know if I did it right? How do I know if it's tracking properly? Very good questions, and so I'm going to quickly show you how we can confirm that Google Analytics is tracking our blog traffic properly. So you're going to need two tabs open. You're going to need your WordPress website. Open that up, head over to settings and insert headers and footers. This is the plugin that you installed in our previous tutorial so that you could attach that Google Analytics tag to the header of your website. So if you did that, you'll have some text here, and it's a lot of gibberish to the average person. That's totally fine. We just want to make sure that we copy and pasted it exactly the way it looked in our Google Analytics account. Again, if you watched the previous tutorial, you know exactly how to do this. Again, this is a brand new website, so this content might look a little bit different than your site. Try not to stress about that. As long as you copy and pasted this information exactly as it showed in your Google Analytics account, you're good to go, okay? So as long as your tag is in here, you're set on this end. How can we confirm that it's actually tracking? It usually takes a couple of hours to fully populate, but once it does, I want you to go to your Google Analytics account and then open up a new tab with your website in it. And we already have that open here, obviously, because I'm in my WordPress dashboard. Then we're going to go to the Google Analytics account. We're going to go to Reports. And we're going to go to Real Time. And when you click on real time, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your users, the engagement. It looks like it's going to start pulling up the map here where it shows you where these users are coming from, which is a cool feature. I am the one that has my website open, so it's showing one user in the last 30 minutes. Let me just refresh my page here. It's pretty simple. It is essentially just making sure that you have your text here, your Google Analytics tag here in your Insert Headers and Footers plugin. And then when you're on your website, head over to Google Analytics to see if there's any users on the website. And if it shows a user, which would be you, then you're good to go. You know that it's tracking your analytics properly. So I do recommend blocking your IP address from your Google Analytics account so that you are not tracking your own traffic every time you head over to your website. Some people look at their website 20, 30 times a day, and that is obviously going to skew our numbers a little bit. So it is a good idea to block your IP address if you plan on being within your website quite a bit. And we'll go over that in another video. But this is how you check to confirm that your Google Analytics is working. Just paste that tag into the Insert Headers and Footers plugin, and then go to your Google Analytics account and see if there are any live users on your site when you have your website open. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.